So this is the safety beam garage door sensor kit. So if the sensors on your garage doors are really old, you can see the other one over there, it has the red light. You're gonna want to replace them. So what this does essentially is that if the sensor senses something blocking the garage door while it's trying to close, it will not close the garage door, so you won't have anything getting squished. It will raise the garage door up. So obviously this is really important to help prevent people from getting hurt and or stuff from getting crushed. And if your garage door sensors are from like the early 90s, it's definitely time to get them replaced. So this was really easy to install. And then you will have a much safer garage door experience.
Link in description.